The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Today is Wednesday, August 10th. It is CPI day. Dennis, Dan, Scott, Nick, guys, good morning. Jeff, good morning, fellas. Well, we survived 2 fairly slow days, made money both days. Now we're going to get some volatility. Becky, good morning and blessings to you as well. We're going to get some ripping moves in both directions, I would expect. CPI is expected to show some relief. I suspect if you take housing out, we'll see what we get, guys, at 8:30. As such, good morning, Deepak. By the way, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. I have no bots on. I have not run any bots this morning. None. My bots are at 0. I'll turn them on after CPI. There's the 8 o'clock bell. So what I'll do is what I do every day. I'll read the disclaimer. I'll show you guys some charts, which obviously will be maybe moot at 8:30, but the levels will nonetheless be the same. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Once again, I am trading a live account. I do want to stress that whether I'm in a trade or not, there is no more reliance on the fact that I am in a trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, especially today. We are going to be volatile. You guys may wish to size down, especially early on. Typically with CPI or major news like this, good morning, Dijon. Major news like this, we're going to get a rip in one direction, trap, rip in the other direction, trap, and then usually by 10:30 we can probably safely identify the trend. But these news days are fraught with trapping action on both sides, so trade accordingly. Somebody's got the news. It's a beat. 0.2 lower. It's a beat. 0.2 lower. Somebody had that news early, huh? Gold's breaking out to the long side. The inference being fewer and or lower rate cuts or rate hikes. Boy, somebody got that ahead of time, didn't they? All right, we're into a sell zone here on the NASDAQ. It's going to have to push above 280 or else it fades. It's right at it just hit 280 to the tick and faded. Of all the charts to freeze, yeah, that's not suspicious. Somebody had the news. I mean, it's. Let me see where we're headed, fellas. We get above 340 and we go big time. 600. We could trade 600, fellas. Today could be a monster days. Could be a monster. Of all the charts to free, there it goes. 365. No, we're at 350, 353, 349, 47. I'm not even close on this, on NASDAQ. I'm lagging. 344, 43. Okay, Doug. Yeah, I mean, again, it's a beat. If you guys elected to take a trade, that's your prerogative. See you tomorrow, Ray. Up 9,000. We're at 364. My DOM is correct. My charts are not. 372. I have no FOMO, fellas. I do not have FOMO. If we break above 420, this is going to go completely insane. We are at 294. All right, we're at 337. This is still not caught up. Yeah, I'm 4 minutes behind. We're now at 340. $339. Yeah, I'm caught up now. I have no idea what an NVMe is. I have dual SSDs in my computer, though. See, you didn't lag. Yeah, well. I mean, I would say that we'll get a pullback, guys. They're gonna want to trap these longs up here. Yeah, I have dual SSD. Remember, I run 3 different trading platforms simultaneous. Let me shut off my Skype, which is also a data hog. Doesn't help. And I'm also running GoToWebinar, which is a huge data hog. Got all day, guys. All day. My buddy Greg just probably popped a 20 grand day on that up move. He was long NASDAQ. All right, fellas. Now that we're settling down, I turned on ES, crude. NASDAQ bot. Natural gas bot. And I'll turn on Russell. Yeah, there is. I've tried it. It doesn't help me. A little over. He's a little over 20 grand. Hit him straight, Greg. Hit him straight. Take up golf. We'll get a pullback, guys. We'll get a pullback. I have a NASDAQ chart open, 15-minute chart. All of my bots are on. And I can't minimize it. Or else I'd show you the ES levels again. Like to see us pull back to 229. It's 100 handles lower. We will get a pullback. See if I can move this. I still can't move this damn chart. There we go. All right. Here's ES. There's our first trade of the day on the NASDAQ. ES resistance 4205 to 4215. So now we have support here. at 70, and I would not consider that support yet. Here's the NASDAQ chart, which I showed you guys. NASDAQ got target one in the bot. I'll bring it over. Here's the NASDAQ chart. We hit that 350 target out on the runner on the NASDAQ. Here is NASDAQ, target one only. Here is natural gas, target one now on the bot. NASDAQ was a target one only. I think I'm going to change my ATM on NASDAQ to 1, 1, and 1. There we go. Let's see here, Doug. Yesterday, looking at a handful of grapes for $9. That, yeah, I don't see where inflation is waning, but if NASDAQ pushes back through that high here on the 10-minute bar, this could go to 400. We're pushing resistance right here. It's got to get through that high again, and it'll go 98 pretty quickly. Yeah. Double topped at the high. Double topped at the high. There are no sellers. Morning, I mean. I think we could see close to 600. I think this has a lot of room to go. No, you're not, David. That's not, first off, that's not the NQ. That's natural gas. Secondly, that's a second signal on the same trade. I mean, we're definitely going to get a pullback ahead of the open. I just don't think they're going to run it from here. I could be wrong. I mean, and it took us another long, essentially same signal on natural gas. Now we've got a NASDAQ long. If NASDAQ gets above 74, it's going to fly again. I don't know. I don't know that it can or cannot. Still buyers, 2,500 buyers. Target one hit now in that trade here on natural gas. Target two hit on natural gas. Out on the runner. Yes, David. It does. Come on, NASDAQ. That it cannot do. But it will wash your car. Nice, I mean. Nice job. Okay. Nice, I mean. Very nice. Holding support here at this 46.7 area. Crude is turning over again. Crude will probably pull back to 90.02 if you want a crude short. 90.02. I eat egg whites. 2 eggs and a protein shake every day for years. Yep, today is inventory day. Thank you for that, Dan. Appreciate that. It's coming to 90.02, fellas. Maybe 3. If anybody is short crude. Natural gas, I would short below $7.80. Once in a while I do. Dan? I do, David. Yeah. 5 days a week. I'm watching this damn NASDAQ chart. Tim, Vega protein. Vega. No sugars, no garbage. Do 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 do. Yeah, nice shorting gold. Here comes crude to O2. Anybody take CL? Anybody take CL? Target 1 is O2. Okay, Kirk. Maybe 3. Okay, Joe. Okay, Barry. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. Careful ahead of the open. We double bottomed at 8. If that breaks, we get target. Got to come through 8. You'll get that quickly. And then it's free after that. Go to break even and leave it if you're trading multiples. Okay, Mark. Just careful ahead of the 9 a.m. open. This could spike up the other way. Yes, on the small time frame, looks like we could roll back to 168. They're going to trap these buyers. I do not believe that they're going to allow these Johnny come latelys to stay in the money all day. I could be dead wrong, but there's the bouncing crude ahead of the open. $2,900 net buyers. NASDAQ long. NASDAQ's going to squeeze long. It's got to get above that 55. It's trying to find 3,000 net buyers. Support is right here at 41. See if it holds. I've got nothing unless I get a better pullback or it breaks above that 55. Above 355, we go. Buoy. Or we see what happens down here at about 80. No real selling. They just lost the initial buyers. Crude is getting whacked. All right, guys, my bots are on. Whopping amount of sellers. We had 3. We did hit 8 sellers. 9. They're killing it now. 20. It's no real selling. All right, NASDAQ may move up from here. Buyers back in. We didn't quite get to my 80 area that I wanted. We got 96. NASDAQ's initial ES resistance at 94, 95 now. There we go. Got to get above 20, 28. There we go. No, come on. Got a bot trade on NASDAQ. Come on, move. There it is. Target 1 hit. Target 2 hit. We're holding the whole number. There we go. Target 2 hit. See if we can get target 3 at 23 handles. There are no sellers, guys. We have 360 buyers in this candle, which is interesting. Now we're losing the buyers. All 3 targets hit on NASDAQ. That was my zone, top of the zone. Got it to the tick. Still holding this zone. You can try along here now. 31. They're buying the hell out of them. Come on, NASDAQ. 3,100 buyers. Come on, get up through that line. Let's go. Get to 316. All buyers, 3,100 buyers, guys. This is crazy. I'm long 300. I'm long 300. First target, I'm trying to get to 16. 3,400 buyers. Good God almighty. Come on, seriously? Break up above that 10. Rip it. It's going to fail. Unbelievable. 30. God dang it. Come on, NASDAQ. You got this. All right, I'm going to be out in a minute here, guys, if we don't break up. No, it's just. Come on, NASDAQ, bounce. 316. This is kill for me right here. I'm long 300, guys. I'm down 20 handles. Still holding. I have 2 contracts on. I'm out in about 1 second. Come on, you mother hucker. I'm still in. I'm out. I'm out. God dang it, NASDAQ, you piece of shit. Guys, it's BS selling right here. It is BS selling. 4170. $170 net sellers. Trying to bid again. We're still holding this zone on the NASDAQ. Came to the bottom of the zone. Come on, let's go. I'm long right now. Again. And it still doesn't want to pop. Are you kidding? There we go. Come on. Nope. God dang this thing. This sucker's going to go without me, fellas. I'll tell you right now because I'm tired of trying this. They're going to sell these fuckers off. Pardon my French. We can't go anywhere. They're going to sell them off. I'm out again. That's it. I'm done trying the NASDAQ, guys. I'm done. There are 11 no sellers. This makes no sense to me. It makes utterly no sense. They're going to run this thing eventually. $15 and we've traded sideways around this support area. This should go to 311 anyways. There we go. Now it goes. Told you it's going to go. It's got to get above this, and we above 11, and we blow. Come on. Look at this. Here we go. Come on. Break this, you piece of work. There we go. Come on. Get through 11, and then we go to 27. There we go. I don't believe this, man. Really, I don't. Come. We're fighting this resistance right here. With 3,800 buyers. 3,800 buyers. Unbelievable. There we go. Come on. Now break. There we go. There we go. I told you it's going to go. Russell went. If we break out above the day high, guys, this is going to go completely insane. Above the day high. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ, guys. $45 is going to be resistance. That's our double top here. We've got resistance here. A couple, David, but I'm trading right now. I can't move bots right now. I'll bring them over after. I'm long NASDAQ, guys, again. Come on, break up here. Come on, NASDAQ. This thing is within a few minutes of breaking out, I think, here, guys. God dang this thing. Son of a pup. Jesus. Come on, NASDAQ. This is support right here. Come on, let's get above 30 again. Come on, NASDAQ, get above 30. Let's go. Good Lord. There we go. And back down. God dang this thing, guys. This is just torturous. Back and forth. Come on, get back up through 31. Come on, one more candle. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. I'm flat, fellas. I'm flat. Here it goes. There it goes, because I went flat. Guys, we have 4,200 buyers. I don't see how this is a short. Crude is an easier trade. Natty gas is long. Got to get a 4,300 buyers, and this thing can't push up. Come on, you got to be kidding me. We haven't even seen the day high yet. This is that pivot. If we can get above this pivot and take out that double top around 55, this thing will go bananas. So we've got a pivot here and right about there. If that goes, this goes. $4,500 buyers. What in the hell is holding this thing down? I give up with the NASDAQ today, guys. I don't know what this crap is about. I really don't. Nice job, Ozzy. We failed that 46. Here it is on a 15-minute. We held that zone, and we can't get above that resistance. back into that 15 support. Now we've got sellers coming in, coming down to 96. ES also reversing. Bots are up 770. Nice job, Mark. Nice job, Larry. NASDAQ's trying to go right here at 311, 310. NASDAQ just cannot. NASDAQ is killing this market right now, guys. It's killing this market. Holy fudge, this NASDAQ on 100 sellers. I'm just going to put on shorts and freaking leave them. Seriously. NASDAQ can't go anywhere. Thanks for your expertise. I mean, I appreciate that. I have no doubts we are going up. All right, we got a short on the ES spot. First spot trade in a while. Out. Yes. Now we're breaking up. Guys, we have 3,600 buyers. There's just not a short here. $240-minute bid overbought on the 10 o'clock candle, but 240 is longs. Short on the NASDAQ bot. Target one filled. Target one only. There we go. NASDAQ. Come on, now you can break out. Let's break out, NASDAQ. Got a Russell bot trade. There you go. There's the Russell bot trade. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Stop being a chooch. Let's get to 45 and blow that 46. Get through 55. 3,900 buyers, guys. Still can't go. What a piece of freaking dog meat. What a piece of dog meat. Come on. Here's your Russell bot. NASDAQ is trying to go. It's going to go, guys. It's got to go. It's consolidating just below where it needs to break out. We want to see 15 area hold now on NASDAQ. Nope. Yep. 15-minute inside candles. It's holding that support barely down to 3,400 net buyers. Russell pushing resistant. There's target one on the Russell. I'm going to turn the break even on, guys. On Russell. Target one hit on Russell. Look at this. Inside. Okay, out on the runners on Russell, target one only. This is a tortuously slow trade, but we're going to go up. We held that 15, and I think we're going up, fellas. Opening range high in the NASDAQ is 54.75. We're coiling for a move. I think we're going to go way up, but it doesn't matter what I think. Seven minutes to the next 15-minute candle, and this is going to close on an inside candle. Just absurd. Got to get through 35, fellas, for the long up to 48. 35, we go to 48. We're right at the point of control now, 24. Looks like it wants to pull back to 280. Biden speaking, and I'm sure he's touting inflation is coming down. Buyers in again. Break of 35, we go 48. Watch 35. We've been chopping around for 45 minutes, guys. Yep. 4205 to 15, Albert. Man, we're inside everywhere. We're going to break one direction. We're going to get a break. We're going to short. It looks like we're going to pull back. Maybe back to yesterday's high. Here we come. If NQ breaks 68, it could get hit down to 211, below 68 now. If this 68 breaks, it's going to get smashed. Here we go. Nope. Guys, we're short. We're short. I think we're going to trade all the way back to 233 is what I think, which was yesterday's high. I think we're coming down here, fellas. They couldn't get it higher. We're still holding this balance area, this support zone. That 268 is key. 268.50. We're working off overbought. We could come down to 211 even. Where's my volatility? NASDAQ short, guys. First target is 233. 233, target 1. ES got. I want to see ES come back to 41.70 and hold, and I'll buy SPX calls. There we go. 233, target 1. 211, final target. NASDAQ. There you go. 233, target 1. 10 handles away. Should get 230. Now we got to trade. Come on, you're not going to give me 233? Seriously? We got 37. I still think you get 33. You guys should be well in the money. Well in the money. We should get a small bounce off 33. Anybody short? We broke that 68. That was your trigger. Okay. Down to 1950. All right, fellas, we caught a nice short from 60. Didn't quite get to 33, just missed. At some point today, I believe that they will break this out. I just don't know, obviously, when. But we keep flirting around. This is our resistance now. Okay, let me get this out of here. Really got to get above 96 again to put us into this area distribution. I'm really surprised at the complete lack of volatility. All right, Mark, see you tomorrow. 10-minute is no longer overbought. No, they have Hunter Biden's laptop. They have it. They're just choosing not to do anything with it. They verified that it was his. Natural gas just missed a nice trade on the bot. Gas is long. I did see that, Brad. Yeah. I'm no fan of Liz Cheney. Long, ZB. ZB is long. This is just bananas here. Let it chop around, guys. I really would have liked. I would have liked to have seen Nasdaq ES tag 4170. I would have bought SPX calls. I'm surprised we missed on CL and we didn't go up a mile. Usually CL does the complete and exact opposite. It misses, it goes higher. It beats, it goes lower. I don't have my bot on anyway, so. I mean, on a 240-minute, NASDAQ is longs, fellas. We don't get another 240 until 2 o'clock, but we're longs on the 240. Support's down around 208 on the 240, but I mean, we've really had no topside move other than the pre-market. Previous high, 15-minute high is 295. That's right where this line is. Got to get above 296, which is that notch in the profile here. Yes, long. I mean, we still have 2,500 net buyers in the NASDAQ. ES not doing anything either. Ironically or interestingly, ES has 13,000 net sellers. Most of them have come in since 1010. I almost think, all right, we're trying here. Here we go. Now we're going up. We're trying. We got to get above here. And then that puts us into this area of distribution up to 320. Come on, pull back. Give me 85. All right, so we're hitting that resistance. There we go. We're going up, fellas. Failed again. ES is trying to go. If ES gets above 95, she goes. ES is long. You can take ES long. NASDAQ support is now 92. No, it's just volume. It's the difference in volume. God almighty, 350 net buyers in this candle. 350 net buyers in this candle, and it goes nowhere. 340, nowhere. This ES went long in the bot. There we go. Come on. Let's get up there to 320 and get back above 320 area and go 45. It just can't get above this. Come on, NASDAQ, seriously, get to 10. Can't you squeeze to 10? Let's get over 300. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There's 301. Come on, 10. 10's the top of the small time frame cloud. There we go. We're close, guys. I think this is close. You got a long to 19. Got a long to 19. Here's 10. If this breaks, we're going to break up. 333 then. 332. If that breaks, we're going to break up. 332. Oh, by the way, that's a yes. Working through a bunch of inventory here. Point of control is 2175. Next 2-minute bar, we should break out. I mean, we are now squarely in this area of distribution. This should push to 20. Here's support. Here's some support now, 97.50. That's a support in here. 2,900 closing in on 3,000 net buyers again. Man, what is the VIX at 0? Next candle in 20 seconds. I think we're close to breaking this out. 92 area support, right? This zone. Sellers in the NASDAQ, but they're getting bought. They're getting bought up. They're getting bought. There it goes. Here goes NASDAQ, guys. There we go. Here comes ES on the bot. Broke out on that 2-minute bar. There's target 1 on the ES. Next resistance is going to be 22, 23, and then 35. XRP, if you trade cryptos, XRP is looking to buy the assets of the bankrupt, I forgot what firm they said. We're still missing volume. 11% below our 3-month daily average. How can that be? I mean, if you look at the NASDAQ on a 5-minute, there we go, above the point of control. NASDAQ kind of fight to 31 now. Bots are up 1,025. Nothing, no trade on the NASDAQ. My gold is, our crude is off. Nothing on the Russell. My natural gas is off. Here we are at resistance again. Next area is 35 that we've got to get through. If it gets through 35, it's going to trade up to that 52. Could pull back to 13. If we get up through this 30 area, we've got to get through 35 really. Through 35, we're going to that 52. So now, call it here. This has got to be support about there. Come on, NASDAQ. Seriously, push. We're holding the point of control on the NASDAQ. This is the break area here for the NASDAQ. Come on, buddy. Find it. Find the buyers. Find the buyers, NASDAQ. Find the buyers. Let's go. 35, next area, right here. All right, guys. I'm going to try a NASDAQ long at 24 if I can get it. Right here. There we go. Come on, NASDAQ. Get through 35. Come on. Come on, buddy. Get through 35. Guys, we've got to pop above 35, which is 15-minute resistance from 3 candles back. And then it should take us to 45. And if we can get through that pivot again, we hit the high of the day. We're back at 27.80 on the net buyers. VIX is under 20. $35 is key here. $35 is key. This freaking thing, man. I'll tell you. This could pull back all the way to 01 if we don't hold this point of control. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Let's get back up through 25. Try it again. Nope. Sellers. They're trying. Some are getting bought. Sellers are pressing here below the point of control. Come on. Let's get through 25.50. There we go. 25.50. Got to 25.50. We should get one more 30 range candle ahead of this 35. Come on, one more candle and then accelerate up through. I mean, this is the NASDAQ's idea of an acceleration, I guess. I should be trading natural gas. That thing's just, come on, 28. One more candle. Take us right to that resistance again. Come on. There we go. Nope. Come on. One more candle. There it is. Come on. We're still fighting this damned. Damn it. Come on, NASDAQ, seriously? We got these. We got those two candles. Got to get above 35, guys. This is key. And we go to 50, 45 and then maybe 55. 2,700 net buyers. Sellers keep trying. Maybe this time. There we go. There we go. All right, fellas. Come on, you got them. Next target up should be 45 to 50, fellas. Come on, NASDAQ. God dang, you stink. Seriously. Can't do a damn thing. Now your support needs to be about here, 31. Next candle, guys. We're pushing those damn pivots. If we get above the high of the day, if we can get above the high of the day, this is going to completely break out. Thanks, Jimmy. Guys, it should get 45. Fellas, I'll be right back. 1 minute. Bots are at 1,025 pending the conclusion of this trade. Anybody have any questions, guys? Anything at all? You're welcome, Albert. For you guys that are newer with the bot, this is why we don't trade crude on inventory days. Chop. That's why I don't run these bots. Or gas. Anybody have any questions, fellas? It was a grind today. All right. I closed that ES trade. We're going to call it a day at 1,200 even. Bots are all done. Hang on, guys. Hang on. My alarm's going off. I will not have my bots on in the morning because of PPI. We're coming into the opening range high on the NASDAQ. Here's the opening range high. Here we go. If we blow this, we go big. This is the opening range high, Crable break. Right? 55.75. Right there. More buyers, 4,100 buyers. Now you just want to be long. If we hit the high of the day, we're going to go bananas. We're pushing these damn pivots. We got to get through the high of the day, which I believe is 75 quarter. That's the high of the day. If we hit that high of the day, they're going to kill. If anybody is short, they're going to get ruined, wrecked, completely wrecked. Come on. Just torture them here. Torture them. Got to get about 65. Again, this thing's going off. Hang on, guys. High is 75 even. That's the high of the day right there. Here it comes. I can see it on my Dom. Come on. Oh, push, baby, push. As soon as we came through that Crable break, I knew it was over. Come on, let's go get 400. New day high, fellas. Anybody long? Anybody long on the NASDAQ? Okay, or the ES? All right, fellas. Man. Come on, let's go get 400. Yeah, man, me too. I got one going. Nice job, Josh. Guys, it's just going to be up, and away here now. They're going to run away with this. We've got resistance at 84, 86, and 90. 84, 86, and 90. If we get through those levels, this thing goes. I mean, this could be a trend day up to 600 today. This could go to 600. If we get above 410, it's going to be brutal on anybody that's short. Above 410. All right, I'm flat. I'm flat. I am flat. All right, fellas. Was not, was a trade of patience today. Extreme patience. And we had, you're welcome, Joe. We should have made money, guys. For the record, as we close the room today, the bots are up $1,200. I will see all of you guys tomorrow at 8 a.m. Remember, we have Hasta mañana, Josh. We have PPI tomorrow. Nice job, Patrick. We have PPI tomorrow. I will not be running bots in the morning. If that comes in as